Hey guys, it's me Brandon, and welcome to another episode of Brandon Bakes Nerdy Treats. And today I got so many requests for something pac-man themed. So today is exactly what I'm gonna make. We're gonna be making a pac-man grilled cheese. So weird, right? The things you'll need to make this pac-man grilled cheese is butter, cheese, bread, and a circle cookie butter. Alright, let's get started. First thing we're gonna do is you want to cut some of your butter and put it on the pan. Actually, I was wrong. The first thing you want to do is you want to spray your pan so that your bread doesn't stick to the pan. Now you want to put your butter on. You want to put your butter on, and then you want to heat your stove to... So it doesn't have to be on the floor. Is what I like to do when I'm making a grilled cheese. Now that all your butter's melted, you want to place your bread on there, but I haven't opened mine yet. So what we need to do place the bread, place the other bread, and then you want to place your cheese. I forgot the most important part. You need to cut a little circle onto the bread. And then you want to just peel off the excess. And then you want to cut a little tiny triangle to make it look just like Pac-Man. Here it is. It doesn't look just like Pac-Man, but it looks close enough.
What looks like Pac-Man?
I just want to put a little bit of cheese on there. And it's gonna start sizzling, but that's okay. You want to cook every slice of bread good. You might need to put a little bit more butter on. Some additional butter, but that is okay.
I'm a baby in a bottle. I'm a baby in a bottle. I'm a baby in a bottle. I'm a baby in a bottle.
And now it's cooking.
I would say this.
There we go. Let's get it.
I want you to hear this.
So we're just gonna use a knife. I'm gonna flip this over. Flip it over again. And then we need to pick this up and put it on our other
Why, but I'm gonna go. I'm gonna see how much
bread.
the plus side. I'm gonna
You
get
cook it.
where they're gonna get it to it. But this is how I'm gonna get you to it.
You just want to cook it for a bit longer. And ta-da! Here's the Pac-Man grilled cheese that we made today. Thank you guys so much for requesting something Pac-Man themed. I had so much fun making this. I absolutely love grilled cheese. Now you try a piece for me. Love grilled cheese. If you guys want to request anything else that you guys think I should make, put it down below. Bye.